Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is, government extends superannuation age of LIC chairman to up to 62 years. Superannuation age was extended by amending Life Insurance Corporation of India Staff Regulation 1960. Changes made in rules will be called as Life Insurance Corporation of India Staff Amendment Rules 2021. Retirement age for top executive of majority of PSUs is 60 years except in SBI Bank of India. Number 2. India joins G20 OECD tax framework deal. India and majority members of OECD and G20 inclusive framework on based erosion and profit shifting adopted a high-level statement that outlines a consensus solution in a bid to address tax challenges that are arising from digitalization of economy. Number 3. US military leaves Bagram Air Base in Afghanistan. Bagram Airfield was the site of several military encounters and an epicenter of US war on terror in Afghanistan in the backdrop of 9/11 terror attack. Bagram Airfield has now been handed over to Afghan National Security and Defense Force. This airbase has been the site of US military's war against Taliban and Al-Qaeda terrorist outfit. It remains staffed by 455th Air Expeditionary Wings of US Force. 4. Manna Patel, first Indian female swimmer to qualify Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Manna Patel joins Srihari Nataraj and Sajan Prakash to have qualified for the Olympics. She is a 20 years old backstroke swimmer from Ahmedabad who have won gold medal in 50-meter backstroke and 200-meter backstroke at National Games. She also won gold in 100-meter backstroke at 60th National School Games 2015 and broke the national record in backstroke. She was selected for Olympic gold quest in 2015, making it the first time a swimmer was roped in. In 2018, she secured 3 gold medals at 72 Senior National Aquatic Championship. Number 5. WACO India Kickboxing Federation gets government recognition. Sports Minister has decided to recognize WACO India Kickboxing Federation as a national sport federation to promote and develop sport in India. Recommendation to approve WACO as fully organized member of Olympic family was taken by IOC in June 2020. International Olympic Committee Executive Board has approved recommendation for WACO on June 10, 2021 to become a fully recognized member of Olympic family of sport. Fully recognition of WACO will be finally decided by IOC session of July 2021 in Tokyo. Number 6. A book titled Savarkar, A Contested Legacy 1924 to 1966, authored by Vikram Sampath. Decorated historian and author Vikram Sampath has come out with a second and concluding volume of the book on the life and works of Veer Savarkar titled Savarkar, A Contested Legacy 1924 to 1966. The book will hit the stand on July 26, 2021 under the publication of Penguin Random House India. Number 7, today's last question of the day. Andy Jassy will become Amazon CEO on July 5th. Andy Jassy will officially become the CEO of Amazon on July 5th. The company announced at a shareholder meeting. Amazon announced that Jassy, who is the current CEO of Amazon Web Services, would replace Jeff Bezos as CEO of the entire company in February. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.